on the sets of your last movie. Can I request you all to please stop talking? We can hear you all over here. Yeah.
इधर आके बैठ के बात कीजिए ना
हाँ नहीं तो
पूरा।
यहाँ आके हम लोग सब बात करेंगे वो भी कर सकते हैं Thank you. What was the one thing that you got hooked on the last set that you were on?
Last set.
Yeah.
I'm hooked on to drinking a lot of tea on any set.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I'm addicted to tea.
So are we talking flavors over here or
No, just
kada?
plain simple chai.
Chai.
Yeah.
Doodh?
Yeah, a little milk.
Chini?
Yeah.
Ah, best way to have it. Which of your co-stars is constantly raiding your vanity? Van.
Raiding my vanity. He's too little, but Tushar's son Lakshu,
Oh.
I love to have him in my vanity van. And it's a task to even follow him even in that little space.
He's like a hurricane, huh?
Yeah, absolutely.
What's the one piece of beauty advice that you gave your co-stars on set?
Sleep well, sleep enough, go to bed early so that I can pack up early and go home.
But you were shooting a film where there were all these men who seem like they're so naughty.
But I needed to sleep now.
Huh. It's like I can't imagine them like not doing lots of time pass. What is the one thing that you do when you wake up in the morning?
I drink lots of water.
Okay.
Yeah. I try to have a full bottle, but if
A whole
not,
liter.
then yeah, I try.
Yeah.
But I think that's the most important thing that you should do when you wake up. It's essential because your body is completely dehydrated while you sleep at night. So you need
Right.
to replenish the fluids.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, so I've had a lot of fun over here, and I think I'm done with all my questions. In case I haven't asked all of them, and you'll still have a few questions that you would like to ask. So would you like to introduce yourself before you ask that question? I don't know if I'll be able to. I'll try and give you this mic. Yeah, just can we have this mic on? Oh, wonderful. But sir, we're going to do a ladies first over here, huh? Yeah? I'll come to you. Okay.
Hi, my name is Trishna. Apart from Vaseline and sleeping, which is your favorite product from Vaseline? Apart from sleeping and this, petroleum jelly.
Deep resto.
And it's also probably something that's going to be very effective now in winter.
Yes.
Hi Tapu, this is Pooja from News Nation channel.
Hi, Pooja.
Firstly, congratulations
Thank
for
you.
your Golmaal Again film. It
Thank
has really
you.
done well on box office.
It has, thank
What do you have
you.
to say about that? And secondly, how much do you trust on beauty products? Like, आप खुद कितना भरोसा करते हैं इन ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स पे एंड हाउ मच डू दे हेल्प टू ग्लो द स्किन और कितना भरोसा रखना चाहिए ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स पे जो कहते हैं कि आपका स्किन टोन वो चेंज कर देंगे क्योंकि कई लड़कियां जो है वो भरोसा कर लेते हैं लेकिन कई सालों तक ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स अप्लाई करने के बावजूद भी कलर टोन चेंज नहीं होता या
So, you know, I
हम
mean,
यहाँ
today we're
colour
talking
tone की
about...
बात तो नहीं
हो
कर रहे
रही
हैं, हम
है,
moisturization
exactly.
की बात कर
how
रहे
much
हैं.
do you trust
yeah.
on such products?
So let's just stick to what we are talking about, which is moisturization, because
Moisturization.
honestly, none of these products are promising anything, so we
And
don't
about
really need to
Golmaal,
go into
please.
that.
What can I say about Golmaal? I'm very, very happy, very excited. It's been a great experience. And it's great that the audiences have loved it so much. I really want to thank the audience for, appreciating my work in it. And for, I'm happy that I got to play such an important character in it. And मुझे लगता है कि आपकी genetics, आपकी lifestyle सबसे important factors हैं आपकी practice में, आपकी skin के लिए. You can't change what you're born with. You can just damage it or maintain it or try to build on it. और मुझे लगता है कि products definitely help करते हैं, especially जैसे jelly और moisturization की जब आप बात करते हैं, तो आपको external help की तो बहुत ज़रूरत पड़ती ही है. Especially मैंने experience किया है क्योंकि मैं इतने harsh weather conditions में काम कर चुकी हूँ कि अगर मैं moisturizer नहीं लगाती तो मेरी skin शायद फट के ज़ख्मी हो जाती. You know? So
Especially
yeah, they have their own value and yes.
All right. I think there was a gentleman here who wanted to ask a question. He's fine? Okay. Okay. Okay, so we have time for one more.
Hello?
And then, yeah.
Oh, sorry. Can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, you go ahead since you've already asked one question. Thanks.
हेलो
Thanks. Yeah.
तब्बू, हमने अभी जितनी भी बात की उसमें एक्सटर्नल आपने बताया कि पेट्रोलियम जेली बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है, हम सब जानते हैं, वो करना चाहिए, पर खाने पीने का कितना ख्याल रखना चाहिए स्किन के लिए?
बहुत ज़रूरी है। जैसे मैंने कहा कि लाइफस्टाइल जो खाने पीने को और आपकी सोने के साइकिल को इंक्लूड करता है, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है। कुछ जैसे पानी है, आपको इंटरनली मॉइस्चराइज रिप्लेनिश रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि वो आपके स्किन पे रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा ही। आप खुद नोटिस करेंगे जब आप पानी नहीं पीते हैं पूरा दिन या आधा दिन, तो वो आप अपने स्किन पे महसूस कर सकते हैं, नो। तो पानी पीना, फ्लूइड्स लेना और सही खाना, कुछ न्यूट्रिएंट्स ऐसे हैं जिनके बिना आपके स्किन का